Ever wondered what NumPy is and why everyone uses it in Python? I will show you why and how to install it in PyCharm in just 3 minutes. Why do we use NumPy? NumPy is short for numerical Python. It helps you work with arrays, do math and handle large datasets faster than plain Python list. If you are into data science or machine learning, NumPy is a must-have. Installing NumPy in PyCharm. Now let's install NumPy using PyCharm. On screen, step by step, open PyCharm. Go to File, Setting, Project, Python Interpreter. Click the plus icon, search NumPy, click Install Package, close. See, NumPy is here, version 2.3.2. Package NumPy installed successfully. Okay. Make sure you are using the correct interpreter and internet is on. Verify installation. Let's test if it is installed correctly. Import NumPy as NP. A equal np.array 1, 2, 3. Print NumPy array, A. Save and run. We got NumPy array, 1, 2 and 3. If this prints a NumPy array, you are good to go. Quick recap. NumPy makes Python faster for math, essential for data science and machine learning, easy to install using PyCharm's package manager. If this helped you understand NumPy, hit like and subscribe to Master of Data Science. Next, we will use NumPy in real examples. Don't miss it.